Real estate agents know that making content can be one of the best ways to get new clients. In fact, some real estate agents focus solely on social media to get their new clients. Problem is, most agents just don't know what to make videos about. Now, today's your lucky day because today we're going to be talking about what to make videos about and specifically the frameworks around making videos so that you'll have an unlimited amount of video ideas when it comes down to recording. Without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. So first and foremost, what you're going to want to do is actually define your avatar. So you need to understand who you're actually making videos for, and we have this entire worksheet we use with our clients to figure out who their dream client is, but you don't even need to do that. You basically just figure out what your dream client is. Is it people who are relocating? Is it veterans? Is it first-time home buyers, investors, whatever it may be? You want to define this so you can tailor your videos specifically to their experiences. So you want to think, how can you make videos to actually serve these people? Now, that's the beginning point of what you want to start with, and then once you figure that out, you want to move on to the three pillars you want to stick with. So the first one here is making real estate sales process videos. So these are basically your real estate videos, talking about how to find off-market properties, how to figure out property tax, how little you can put down. You want to make things around that. Now, again, using the avatar specifically, you want to, let's say, for example, if you're working with investors, how to find off-market properties that cash flow, how to figure out property taxes for multifamily properties, how little can you put down on a fourplex, how little can you put down on an eightplex. So there's like an unlimited amount of ideas that you can make from these core ideas. But essentially, once you start realizing that the first pillar of videos that you're going to be making is real estate specific videos, like the sales process, you can break down all the parts of the sales process, which is like inspections, how to deal with repairs, how to deal with the lawyers, and then again, relate it back to what niche you're specializing in. Now, second, what you're going to want to do is your ideal avatar specific. So this is where you speak to that ideal avatar of yours even more. So if you pick first-time home buyers, for example, you want to talk about different programs available to them, like the RSP withdrawal in my area, how to save for a down payment, the size versus age trade-off when looking for properties. We all know that the older the property, usually the bigger the property is. So you can talk to the buyer or home buyer about that in the video and just be like, hey, you know what? One of the things that is a big trade-off is that the newer you go, typically the smaller the units are. So you can make videos around that. And then explaining to them that this may be a stepping stone property as well. Them not realizing that, hey, you know what? Maybe they saved up years and years to purchase this property, but in reality, you need to realize that, hey, you know what, this might not be your dream house. You may actually just be purchasing this property as a stepping stone to your dream house. Maybe it's you're buying a condo and eventually you want to buy that single family home. So definitely you need to educate them there. Now, you want to also talk about the area. So the third pillar is going to be the area. So this is videos on the best coffee shops in like Langley, for example, the best gyms, the best parks, the best beaches. When you talk about these things, a lot of the times you'll rank for SEO if people are searching. So if you don't know what that means, basically you're able to get in front of people who are searching for like the best beaches, and maybe they're looking for the best beaches because they're relocating, and they can be home buyers that are relocating. So that's a lot of the times how you get in front of those people. Now you can also talk about trails, hikes, and things like that. Home tours is another different pillar and category of videos that you can make. So you can highlight cool properties, you can go to open houses, you can showcase cool aspects of different homes, and you can show your personality in these as well. So when going through the homes, you can talk about what you like, what you don't like, things like that. So this gives you pretty much an unlimited amount of videos that you can make, because home tours, like there's hundreds if not thousands of properties in my area that are listed. You can contact each individual listing agent and go to them and say, hey, you know what, I want to advertise your property, can I just pop by, or if it's on lockbox, can I go by whatever time that you're free, and actually go and make a quick video for for those properties. Now, next is trends. Now, I'm not talking about dancing around on TikTok like a weirdo. I'm talking about new interest rate announcements, policy changes, seasonal relations to real estate, for example, Christmas time spending and how it affects affordability. So the cool thing with the way our calendar is laid out is there's literally always a holiday. Every single month there's a holiday. So you can talk about real estate related to that holiday and how you can basically spin it for a real estate spin. So even if you go into ChatGPT, for example, I'm going to go into ChatGPT here and say, I'm a realtor looking to make a video about, and boom, now you have a whole script made for you for a 60-second reel, and it relates to Christmas and the interest rates. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of ways that you can get more ideas on the video specifically, but that's just kind of one of the examples I wanted to show you guys. And there you have it. Using these strategies, you have an endless amount of ideas that you can use for your video content process. Now, if you need help getting clients, I put a link below where you can book a call with one of our team members and we can show you exactly how we can scale your real estate business. I'll see you guys on the next video.